DESAM volunteers clash with students of Manipur University inside the university campus. Police fired tear gas cells to control the situation. Amidst tight security in view of Diwali, Gopadhon Puja and Ningo Chakoba, a bomb exploded in Khairamban Bazaar around 7:30 this morning. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju will arrive at Impal tomorrow on a two-day visit. He will celebrate Diwali with the Zawans of IGAR South, Manipur and CRP Langching. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica bringing you the top stories. DESAM volunteers clashed with students of Manipur University inside the university campus today. Police fired tear gas cells to control the situation. 1 police personnel and 7 students were injured in the clash. In the aftermath of the clash, students of MU banned DESAM volunteers from entering the campus. The incident happened when DESAM organized a felicitation function of successful DESAM candidates in the recently held higher secondary and students' union election at the Centenary Hall. MU authorities banned holding of a function after students protested against holding the function. Following the ban, DESAM volunteers came inside the campus and clash erupted between them and the MU students. Police personnel deployed inside the campus pushed back the MU students inside the campus, while DESAM volunteers were pushed back outside the main gate in order to control the situation. However, DESAM volunteers agitated against the police. Police fired tear gas cells to push back the DESAM volunteers while they pelted stones towards the police. 7 students were injured and 1 police personnel sustained injury and were hospitalized. University main gate, police shed, CCTV camera and security officer of MU room were damaged at the incident. DESAM volunteers snatched and broke the mobile phone of a journalist of Naharol Githaudang who tried to cover the incident through his mobile phone. Manipur University students once again agitated after the situation was controlled, alleging security officer and VC in charge responsible for the incident. The students pelted stones and pushed the door of the administrative block, and police chased the agitating students. Later, the protesting students burned the banner of the felicitation in front of the Dean of Student Welfare. Romain Soibamcha, a student of the university speaking to Impact News, said the incident happened as DESAM forcibly tried to conduct felicitation program for successful candidates of higher secondary and colleges election, unheeding to conduct the program after the admission process was over.
Aku tinggal di Natibah, mau pangkatnya matang cari topi kan, hayang sahaja macam mana, aku ke nova session jauh orang matunda, mau amprop jauh mau topi kan, haja ni, awal topi habis tu mau ki DESAM ke thomik kerana, college tu buat kaba tu tuan ba, university tamdo sahaja macam get tahu lah, get thugare aga leram ba, aku ke volunteer macam ama mana pure, aku sahaja nupizing, matabak tu kau ba masam poi ba cingba, saya nak kena ba topi tu hujik sahaja macam so, masih pun macam Ozajing amusu DESAM makta, lautuna raga university thugana ba cinmani, mana aku DESAM thomik aku, adu kemati piana nina tahu jadi, makai university aku pokok tu kan aduga oza bisi obiri ba oza dhanesor ma masana mana jana ma resign to godamani man hek pai ba university mahanga to asugum ba university mahanga to oza ase university lebiar.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur General Secretary Namairapam Edison condemned the police action on students who came to Manipur University to attend the felicitation of successful candidates in the higher secondary school and college elections at the Centenary Hall. Speaking to media persons at Kaisampad, he said some section of the students opposed holding the function after the university authority gave them permission. He blamed the university authority for the incident and said some sections are trying to portray DESAM in a negative light. He also asked to release the president of DESAM, who is in the police custody.
Isam samna siguma function ama sinna u hora matamda ayat pa apam na piri myo sing sibu matam chana control to gi muhuta yamna ingna chingna function ama pangthok nabu hona jariba myo sing amadi function du yaw bu lakchaba adugumba mahiru singda chathakiba ngasi university authority gi thawong sa masi DESAM gi maikai dagi masi akan mongda masi yaningde DESAM da atamna ngahaletana apan ayat piri myo sing sigi mathakta para tambi bagi phibam ma laoi habisi haininga lete sumana DESAM da ngahaletana apan ayat piri myo sing sina makhatana apan ba ayat pasi masi pirodamna.
Amid tight security in view of Diwali, Gopadhon Puja and Ningol Chakoba, a bomb exploded in Khairamban Bazaar around 7:30 this morning. The bomb went off at MG Avenue near Mizorkul Gate. It was planted in between Gupta Auto Corporation and Jeswal store. No one was injured in the explosion that took place in the wee hours when there were very few passerby. However, a red color Verna bearing registration number MN01Z0999 was damaged. The vehicle belongs to Zubin Alam, age 30, originally from Motihari district, is Champaran in Bihar and currently residing in MG Avenue. The window glasses of the first floor and the second floor of the Gupta Auto Corporation building was also damaged. These two floors are being used as a go-down by the Gupta Auto Corporation. A team of police led by SP inspected the blast site. BJP Hengang Mandal has strongly objected the interference in its activities by BJP spokesperson R.K. Sivachandra. Speaking to the media at BJP Hengang Mandal office today, Secretary Mangsatabam Lalit Kumar says they do not know who Sivachandra is and refuted the statement of Sivachandra that never facilitated P. Sarachandra. He also strongly condemned the statement of Sivachandra saying Lukhoi is the only president of Hengang BJP Mandal. The incumbent President T.H. Iboyaima has been elected as president on the 9th April by former President T.H. Chauba. Under the leadership of President Iboyaima, the Mandal has been actively working to strengthen the party by enrolling 13,000 people in the Mandal. He further termed Sivachandra's statement as unfortunate.
अखोइना चाही अहुम मरी हेना बीजेपी दा अखोइ चेंजरक चोंजरक मतमदा श्री शिवचंद्र हाइ मेसगा चाहिँ अखोइ नोमोतसु थेंगनखिब लेते माना अखोइ मंडल मसक खंगदबगुम अखोइनासु श्री शिवचंद्र मसक खंगदे श्री सिंगाखम इबोयाइमना प्रेसिडेंट ओरि मंडल सिना चाही अहुम मरी से अखोइ यामनु वाना अखोइ होनजदना ngasi de अखोइ हेंगांग केंद्रदगी अखोइ मी लिसिंग 13 जे अखोइ बीजेपी दा मिंग चलले शिवचंद्रना अखोइ हेंगांग केंद्र की मनुंगी ओइरिबा अखोइ पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन सि खंगदो माली श्री शिवचंद्रना कैसामथोंग केंद्र दा बीजेपी की कैंडिडेट अमा माइ पाकनबा होनबिरो हेंगांग केंद्र दि खुद थिंजनबिरकनु.
Spokesperson of BJP Hengang Mandal Youth Committee Kangjam Pradeep also slams the statement of Sivachandra saying without knowing anything about the Mandal. He said more than 6,000 members of Hengang Mandal have conducted poster campaign of the party by going from house to house. He also warned that Sivachandra should be held responsible for any consequences in future if he continued to meddle in the affairs of Hengang Mandal. Administration Secretary of the Mandal, T. Ronibla, also warned of launching agitation against him if he continued to make such remarks in the future.
Youth lising taruk henmana hoji hojimak yumdong lising manga hena wall painting campaign chathari masida kanagumba BJP Hengang Mandal gi maramda sukang khangdaba miyoina praja myam da lan honaba modi kanagumba mi gi thoinsin manba mongda wahayota sizinarbabu BJP Hengang Mandal gi youth singna thengnaba yaba thengnagani haina myam da khanganjari oida padaba ngangiba miyoy singbu masa masa na daita pujagadamni haidana youth singi makedigi am strongly depsari
gi mandal masak khangde haina phungdok pirphase ekoi laibak yamna thibani asigumba mathong hoktaba ekoi hengang kendragi oiba wafam asida mathau leitana mathau sadna ku thingjan birakpase makhatawa amohna phungdok pirpak tarabadi siangkham iboyaimena president oiba BJP hengang mandanna puthokjaba nupi kangluk kayana mangonda imatik chaba amohna action lokhatkani.
Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju will arrive at Imphal tomorrow on a 2-day visit. He will celebrate Diwali with the Jawans of IGAR South, Mantripukhi and CRPF Langjing. As part of his visit, Kiran Rijiju will also attend a BJP meeting at Kalapahar Junior High School ground in Senapati district. In the meeting, he will also interact with the aspiring BJP candidates, members of the ADC and members of the Mandal regarding the upcoming assembly election, stated BJP President Khetri Mayum Bhavananda. According to a reliable source, the minister also discussed recent attack on the chief minister in Ukhrul with the heads of Assam Rifles. Kiran Rijiju will also attend the Rashtriya Ekta Divas at IGAR South on the 31st of October.
Andaki election jiga mari lenana akhoi BJP gi oiba akhoi karmi mayam sibu punchillaga akhoi lakadu election chida akhoi na Congress ai sibu kamai toraga कोई जब माने बमोंगदा यामन यूनिटी ले बमोंगदा कोई कमाई तो थेंगसिगे हाइबदुगी माकी मरुई खोंगसेनी कोई माना कोई पब्लिक मीटिंग से लोरे मतुंगदा कोई ऑफिशियल में आंगो जो पुल्लगा लाकदो इलेक्शन से की लालोंग के आमसु मागा कोई पुमिनरगा कोई याथोकनी.
President BJP Mayang Imphal Mandal Irom Rabi has refuted the assertion of Local Area Development Mayang Imphal Beneficiary Committee that Local Area Development Fund for the constituency has not been misused by the local MLA. Speaking to the media at Babapura today, Rabi said a team of Mayang Imphal BJP Mandal and locals have inspected the said works taken up under Local Area Development Fund but did not find executing any work. He expressed surprise over the plan to construct fencing wall for orphan home in the constituency when there is no such home. Asking whether indoor hole near Soraren Hole has been constructed within the current term and questioned how the local MLA claims of constructing compound wall when there is not any wall. Though there is no public library in Phobakchau, mini community hall at Uchiwa and other places, the beneficiary committee deceived the people. Inability to provide a satisfactory answer on where the fund has been used clearly demonstrates that the fund has been misused.
Kadai kadai phawba sumna tawrubage haiba spot verification ama sathabada ahanba round da thengnarakhiba mafam taruk suksa saramdana lupa lakh 13 ga mari makhai lanna lokthokpa mongda leramba thengnaki Sri Khumujam Ratan Kumar Singha amadi maki loinaba kangbu kharana Mayang Imphal kendragi chawkhat tawrangi thadarakpa MLA Local Area Development Fund lanna niyom chumdana sijanare haiba simadi taseng wafamni namthak tawbusing lemna tharoi haiduna ngasi BJP Mayang Imphal Mandal amyamang haidokchari siguma oida padaba namthak tawba siguma lusingba singasigi khutpu amadi lusingba masamak Mayang Imphal kendragi miyam khangna handakti achauba huranba phare haibadu miyamang da thamjari.
In a Manipur parliamentary constituency, MP Dr. Thokjo Mainia has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba and Javankut festivals. Dr. Mainia stated that Ningol Chakoba is one of the biggest festivals of the state, which celebrates the unbreakable bond of love between brothers and sisters and which reinforces the care and affection of the parents for their daughters, bonding and reviving family relations. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba and Good Festival. Ningol Chakoba is one of the biggest festivals of the state, which celebrates the unbreakable bond of love between brothers and sisters and which reinforces the care and affection of the parents for their daughters, binding and reviving family relations. Though the festival is originally observed by the Meitei community, the celebration now extends to other communities and tribes in Manipur, thereby reinforcing unity amidst diversity in the state. Good Festival is also the premier festival of the Kuki-Chin Mizo groups of Manipur. It is also one of the main festivals of Manipur and it is celebrated every year on the 1st of November throughout the state. It is an autumn festival and marks the ending of the harvest season. Gai Khangam on the occasion conveys his earnest message and says that may the festival bring prosperity, peace and harmony among the people of Manipur belonging to different ethnic communities.
Kut amadi Ningol Chakoba asina lakpada Manipur ki praja sing chingmi tami punamakta yaipa paujel pijari khoi Manipuri khoi punamaki chahi amada amunga pasingna mapamna kora aga kari makhadar so khoi BJP thattudana angam makhra dan tawdana mangon asibat nibibagi dugumba nimitna lakpada Ningol sing punamakta nunga yaifaba dugumba watapadaba nada jektaba dugumba ishwagi thawjan pidabisnu Manipurda leba kuki sinau Kuki Chin Mizo group na saun pang thoi ba sumba Javankut ki festival sin lakpada Manipurda ing tapthaba nunga yaifaba adugumba watapata badu ishona pinabishnu.
Mohammad Muhammadin Shah Memorial Trust and Ketrigao Block Mahila Congress Committee organized Ningol Chakoba for the Ningols of Ketrigao constituency today at MLA Mohammad Amin Shah's residence. Gifts were also presented to the Ningols at the joint festival. Speaking in connection with the event, MLA Amin Shah says, let the festival of Ningol Chakoba bring peace, prosperity and development by strengthening the bond of love between brothers and sisters. He expressed happiness over the blessing showered on him by the Ningols.
Tawrumdaba silamdaba haina khalamagasu mahak lakpadagidi anoba changes khara tawsu phai haidana haiba ngasi ngisi ta jarong jarga Ningol Chakobana laktai haida we punamak ama khatani aikoi saruk yami nagadamni magi site gi kudon oina miam ningol sinjak kathok chage haidina mara to jobidigi aikoi mem appreciate to jeki bani.
A team of Food Safety and Safeguard Enforcement Wing conducted drive health and family welfare at shops in Khairamban Kaithel to the quality of the food products. District Designated Officer of the Wing T.H. Suni Kumar bans the food products of Haldiram's Prabhuji and appeals the public not to buy Haldiram's Prabhuji's product. The team drive at J&J Agency Thangal Bazaar and found the products with tempered FSSAI license number.
J&J की एजेंसी दुकान सिदा हल्दीराम न सावा हल्दीराम सिदा कोई मखल प्रोडक्ट होम लई मकोई की प्रोडक्ट सिंग मनुंग सिदा हल्दीराम्स प्रभुजी हाइरिबा मकोई की प्रोडक्ट मैम जिंगजे मस्तेदा कोई की फसाई ने पीबा लाइसेंस नंबर जे डिजिट 13 का मरी नेबा डिजिट 13 ओम दोयम दी 0 13 ओम दो इरगा लास्ट कोई की 02 ने इरमेबा पैकेजिंग एंड लेवलिंग की कोई रूल अमा लेबनिना अदुगी लेवलिंग सिदा कोइना चेक तौ मतमदा अरानबदु यावरबनिना मसी मियामदा अकोइना कनागुंबा अकोइगी कंज्यूमर सिंगना पीपल सिंगना लेबिनिंगबा लेब्रगसु मसी अकोइ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट कोइ फूड सेफ्टी विंगना मसी की पोसे अकोइगी हतक फेस्टिवल गा मैलेना कोइ थिंगजनजरे.
A one-day political conference was held yesterday at Sangit Lampak Kumbi Terakha. The conference was organized by 29 Kumbi Mandal BJP. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhavananda, convener of the State Election Committee BJP TH Chauba, MLAs of BJP district presidents, presidents of Mahila Morcha and Kisan Morcha, intending BJP candidate of the upcoming assembly election, and ex-MLA of Kumbi constituency and Mangi, and many other workers of the BJP attended the conference. Speaking at the event, BJP spokesperson N. Biren stated that it is the current Congress government in Manipur and the previous Congress government at the center which is responsible for the hatred between the Nagas and the Meiteis.
Matamula Sakar, the Litan Congress Sakar, Omram Sidamram, the war on the Somali Mubasan and Navaya, Swan and Equity Sakar, Congress, Manipur Praja, interest of everything the way the thing is. Nagamasa is rachel now. Me Kayama swear, Mubasan and Red. My day, the Nagaga, not packed up the Landa, Kanama Silla said, Congress. Yet the way the Sanada, yet the way the get the water.
Condolences are pouring in at the demise of social worker Thongnauzam Iboyaima. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization, Ethno Heritage Council and Irabot Foundation Manipur expressed their grief in a press note at the loss of Thongnauzam Iboyaima. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Sri Manipur Jewelers. Yumda Sumlaika, Kanbanadikana, Engunda Luna, Tina Cravani, Wakal the Wagon. Lao, I could do Pasarinase. We have a pampa design for the so we didn't apologize. Sri Manipur Jewelers.
Nasimak Lengshin Biro, Diwali Kumhai, Amadi, Ningol Chako Wagi Mangunana, Ningol Singna Set Javada, Pakjaragadaba, Pijet Lighting Kaya. Silaima Emporium, Singjamay Tinga Mangka, opposite Oinamler, Nasimak Lengshin Biro.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Ready Go, with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak anigalising ni Punipan Piba car asigi features singdi, ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro, gariasi ngasimak showroom da laktuna lere, test drive kidamak Lengshin Biro, Island Nissan, near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Pengba ngaton Pangbiragani, Ningol Chakobugi Manguin and Mapungari Faraba Pengba Amadi Ngaton. Ningol Chakobugi Damak discount supizeri. Ngaton KG Manga lay with the KG am a free. Pengba KG Tara lay with the KG am a free the pizeri. Akak Navamatamni, Nasimak Lingshin Birokton order to be ho. Pangpam, S. Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm, Hyang Tang Bazaar.
Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite House Ground Labor Store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle Store Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite House Ground.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Focusing on the promotion of the indigenous lemongrass herbal tea, Nutrient Herbal today launched lemongrass herbal tea at Classic Grande, Chingmairong. Speaking at the event, Director of Nutrient Herbal Nikhil Jain says the rise of health consciousness around the world has increased the demand of green and herbal tea. He also said indigenous lemongrass being caffeine-free will attract a large number of customers from places outside the state. All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturers Welfare Association appealed to the government to look into the matter of fake teachers in government higher secondary schools. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club Association Executive Member M. Jadumani said according to a government order, a teacher named Mohammad Nizamuddin was promoted from Vice Principal and posted from Tamenglong Higher Secondary School to Kangsinglung Higher Secondary School. He said there is no record of Mohammad Nizamuddin working as a graduate teacher ad hoc or selection through MPSC.
MD Nizamuddin haiba nupa se maram suksa chadana parikha yaudabbi MPS thengnadabi ad hoc su porakpa natabi ya matam sangna graduate ki waja oidana MSc oidana lakpasu natabada lecturer oina sang erga VP principal ka daranga sisi thabak tawdun leire nuksi jaraba akogi electronic media gi maigedagi Marik Chumba Wapam Tambirga, Gomena Machi Tabi Ganin Kali, Adua, Matik Jabi Xalokulakana, Tungi Satra Naron, Imale Bakuna, same bada education there. Machine Maruni, Patabat Aran, but we are there, I say, Machi, Kangan Biu and a Kogi Tamzaba.
Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh inaugurated a two-day art exhibition on the theme Indecising the Contemporary at Sangai Hall, Imphal Hotel today. Speaking at the inaugural function, the Chief Minister said the exhibition, which showcases traditional customs of tribal Nungbi Chafu and stone culture, shows the close connection between man and nature. The exhibition is jointly organized by How Heritage Foundation and Ruksa.
From the state government side, we have recommended to the NEC. The NEC has sanctioned around 6 crore. I am told they have already started that work set. And also, ultimately, they will become those artists, a mechanized type of making pots, so that it can be produced in large scale, and we can think of exporting it not only within Manipur, even outside the Manipur also.
Student organizations, Merapaibis and civil society organizations based in Ziribam has resolved not to allow inauguration of Ziribam District Hospital. The resolution was taken after holding a joint meeting at the conference hall of Amsu District, Ziribam today. The meeting strongly condemned the effort of the state government to install all equipments of Community Health Center for District Hospital. The 6th Foundation Day of Pathau Thangtak Performing Arts was observed today at the hall of Huyel Lalong Manipuri Thangta Cultural Association. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of late founder Guru G. Gaurakishore Sarma. Various cultural programs were also presented by the students of Pathau Thangta Performing Arts Center. The first fitness Kanglei Park kick-off from today at GM Hall. The competition was organized by Manipur Amateur Bodybuilders Federation under the supervision of Indian Fitness and Bodybuilders Federation. 80 bodybuilders are taking part in the championship in 168 cm below and above category. 7th Mr. Kanglei Park and 4th Miss Kanglei Park competition will also begin from tomorrow. 80 competitors are taking part in the competition. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. DESAM volunteers clashed with students of Manipur University inside the university campus. Police fired tear gas shells to control the situation. Amid tight security in view of Diwali, Govardhan Puja and Ningol Chakova, a bomb exploded in Quaramban Bazaar around 7:30 this morning. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju will arrive at Imphal tomorrow on a two-day visit.